Hello and welcome to the lecture series on social religious reformers in India. In today's class, I'll be talking about an important organization in India known as the Prarthana Samaj. So let's get started. I'm going to talk about facts associated with Prarthana Samaj as well as the contributions with respect to the same. So let's get started. The first point associated with Prarthana Samaj is it was established in the year 1867 and it was established in Bombay. Now it is called as Mumbai, back then it was called as Bombay, and it was established by or founded by two brothers, namely Dadoba Pandurang and Atmaram Panduranga. So there's a myth associated with Prarthana Samaj that it was formed by M.G. Ranade. M.G. Ranade became the member of Prarthana Samaj in 1870s, but it was effectively formed by Dadoba Panduranga and Atmaram Panduranga. Furthermore, it became popular when Justice Ranade joined it in the year 1870. So this is an important point associated with Prarthana Samaj. It was not formed by M.G. Ranade. It was formed by Dadoba Panduranga and Atmaram Panduranga, and it became popular only after M.G. Ranade joined in 1870s. Furthermore, the precursor to this institution or this organization known as Prarthana Samaj in Mumbai obviously was Paramahansa Sabha, and it was a secret society to propagate liberal ideas, and it was formed by Ram Krishna Jaikar. So this is how you can look at the foundation or the precursor to Prarthana Samaj, and it was in the notion or idea of the Paramahansa Sabha, which was operating in Bombay, and it was formed by none other than Ram Krishna Jaikar. So this is an important thing which you should be knowing, that is what is the precursor to Prarthana Samaj, because questions might reflect in the papers which might be in this form. Furthermore, Prarthana Samaj was spread towards the southern part of India by noted Telugu reformer as well as writer known as Kanduri Veerasalingam. So the Prarthana Samaj from Bombay, it reached the southern parts of the country as well with the ideas propagated by Kanduri Veerasalingam. Furthermore, Prarthana Samaj was influenced by two important organizations. One is Brahmo Samaj and the other is the Arya Samaj. So I have talked about Brahmo Samaj as well as Arya Samaj. So if you haven't watched those lectures, you can please go and check them. I'll put the link in the description as well. So in a sense, Prarthana Samaj, because these two Samaj, that is Brahmo Samaj as well as the Arya Samaj, in a sense propagated liberal ideology, and the same has been seen with the propagation, or with the same ideology is seen from the contributions of Prarthana Samaj, which was established in the year 1867 by obviously none other than the two brothers Dadoba Panduranga and Atmaram Panduranga. I'm repeating this because I don't want you to be in that myth such that it was established by M.G. Ranade. It was not established by M.G. Ranade, Mahadev Govind Ranade. Yeah. So furthermore, the Prarthana Samaj believed in worship of one God. That means monotheism, single monotheism, one God. And they believed in the notion of one God, but they rejected or denounced something called as idol worship. So this is again an important fact associated with Prarthana Samaj. Furthermore, they aimed to free Hindu society from orthodoxy, that is all your old thoughts and beliefs, rituals and all of that. So this was again an aim of Prarthana Samaj, to liberate the Hindu society from all these orthodox beliefs. Furthermore, it also aimed at rejecting Hindu norms, the caste system, untouchability, then child marriage. Then you have traditions and rituals which were followed in the Hindu religion. So it was also aimed at, obviously Prarthana Samaj was aimed at liberating the Hindu society from all of these orthodox beliefs. Furthermore, Prarthana Samaj was not as radical as it looked. In a sense that I'm talking about a comparative sense, that is, it was not as radical as the Brahmo Samaj or Arya Samaj, but it took a cautious step towards maintaining or towards propagating the reformist programs in India. So it was not very radical as compared to the other organizations, but it was liberal in a way that it propagated the same sort of ideology as propagated by other organizations like the Brahmo Samaj and Arya Samaj, and it took cautious steps in putting forward these reforms in the Hindu society. So these are certain facts as well as contributions associated with the Prarthana Samaj, which is an important organization in the socio-religious reform movements in India. So I hope the idea is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. Thank you.